Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino. Let me just update these levels. Didn't want to do anything before I posted the video. So we had a slight little divergence here. See lower low in price action, higher low in RSI, bouncing back up, retesting the prior swing low, so prior support and becoming resistance, testing it again and coming back up to the resistance area and the rotation zone. So I'm going to update all these levels with the bigger pullback. Just bear with me for a second. So here we go. Now they just, as I said, released earnings. They had an adjusted EBITDA loss of 46.98 million, and they had 36K in solar revenue. So they were worse than expected, and the shares started selling off. Let me go to an intraday chart, like a 1 hour, to see what's going on with the sell-off after hours. Don't know why this is taking a little bit of time. There we go. Yes, so we had a double top here. I have the extended hours. Those are highlighted in this lighter shade of blue, so you see this double top coming down, triggering right here and running down to the first target. Next target is 32.48, next one's 31.43. So based off that price action, I'd have to say tomorrow we are looking at lower prices. Okay, if it does rally, the key resistance is coming in about $40.80, and there's still pretty major overhead resistance. But if we start getting close above there, we do have this gap, and then I'd start watching the GAN level about 47.50, and then for the gap fill. Let me take a look back here though. If we break down below the double targets, we're looking at the most recent swing low of $29, then $25.14, then major support coming in about $20.75. That's what we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.